Welcome to the second part of the revision video of class 7 adjectives. In this video, we'll also solve 4 exercises, and at the end of it you'll get an assignment which will contain these exercises only and you have to solve it. So let's start with this. Exercise number E. Fill in the blanks with correct adjective forms of the words given in the brackets. Dasrath decided that Ram would become the king as he was quite worth. He was quite worthy. It is dash to drive at high speed within the city. Danger. It is dangerous to drive at a high speed within the city. Nobody likes to work with that lady because she is very dash quarrel. So the answer will be quarrelsome. Nobody likes to work with that lady because she is very quarrelsome. Mr. Kapoor always donates to poor children and other dash people. Need. Other needy people. Rita fits in very well in her new school because she is very dash by nature. Friend. So the adjective of friend is friendly. So Rita fits in very well in her new school because she is very friendly by nature. Mohan keeps getting remarks in his diary because he is dash. Talk. So the adjective of talk is talkative. Mohan keeps getting remarks in his diary because he is talkative. Henu drew the face with a dash nose. Bulb. So the adjective of bulb is bulbous. So Henu drew the face with a bulbous nose. We decided to subscribe to the dash issue of magazine. So month. The adjective of month is monthly. We decided to subscribe to the monthly issue of the magazine. Leela did not like the book because she thought the story to be quite dash child. So the adjective of child is childish. I hope you find the bed dash. I just bought it yesterday. The word is comfort and the adjective of comfort is comfortable. So I hope you find the bed comfortable. I just bought it yesterday. Now moving on to the next exercise, exercise number F, in which there is a help box and the words are given and we have to choose one word from those and change that into a word adjective and then put it into the blanks. First one, Robin recently went through a dash breakdown because of the stress in his office. So the word will be nerve and the adjective of nerve is nervous. Robin recently went through a nervous breakdown because of the stress in his office. Though many poets have written on monsoon, I personally do not like the dash season. I personally do not like the rainy season. The organization is making all efforts to turn the event into a memorable one. So the word was memory and the adjective is memorable. The dash act of the constable managed to save the passengers of the burning taxi. So the word is hero and the adjective is heroic. The heroic act of the constable managed to save the passengers of the burning taxi. Moving on to the next. Question number 5. Mom's dash store is in February. The word is office and the answer will be, the adjective will be official. Mom's official tour is in February. Learning classical music is a part of my weekly plan. So the word was week and the adjective is weekly. Marrying off underage children is a dash offense. The word is crime and the adjective of that is criminal. So marrying off underage children is a criminal offense. Last one of this exercise is relationships are dash and need to be nurtured. Relationships are valuable and need to be nurtured. Now we are moving on to the next exercise. Exercise number G. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate degrees of the adjective given in brackets. If you remember in the adjective video while I was teaching you the adjectives, in that we were talking about three kind of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So we know that when we are talking about one person, so there will be positive degree. When we are comparing between two people, so that will be comparative degree. And when we have to say a superior person among a group, so that will be called a superlative degree. So according to that we have to solve this. First one is, China has the dash population in the world. So when we are talking about the world, that means it has the most amount of the population. So that's why China has the largest population in the world. Rome looks dash when you visit it, when you see it in pictures. So we are comparing from pictures to the original Rome. So that means there are two scenarios. So that's why comparative degree comes more beautiful. Rome looks more beautiful when you visit it than when you see it in pictures. The horse is a dash animal. The horse is a noble animal. Priyanka is a dash artist. Priyanka is a good artist. Yasmin is dash artist than Priyanka. So here we are comparing between Yasmin and Priyanka. So that's why better. Yasmin is a better artist than Priyanka. Tasneem is the dash artist in the class. Now when we are talking about a superior person in the entire group, so that's why the superlative degree is used. So good ka superlative is best. So Tasneem is the best artist in the class. Now we are moving on to the next. This is the last exercise of this video. H. Fill in the blanks with some or any. Okay, so we have to feel that where we have to put some and where we have to put any. Though I am carrying my wallet, it is always better if you also carry dash money, some money. They have not given dash reply to my query regarding the delivery of the books. So any reply. Dash people have gathered in front of the school to know the results of the board examination. Some. Do you know dash dentist around the place live? Do you know any dentist? You should raise your hand if you have dash question. You should raise your hand if you have any question. There are dash questions that need to be answered in detail. There are some questions. I have dash bread and butter in the lunch box. I have some bread and butter in the lunch box. Do you have dash butter in refrigerator? Do you have any butter in the refrigerator? So that is it in this video. Now in the next video we will do the rest of the exercises, whatever is left in class 7, and that will be end of the adjective sessions. So you have to write all these exercises in your notebook. Don't forget to write all these in your notebook. You can copy it from the worksheets also. And after that, whenever you come to school, we are going to check all these things. So please be careful, and till the time you are not coming to school, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.